Mark Anthony here, live from the AIBC event in Budapest, Hungary. I'm here today with Anna Agu. She's the co-founder and CEO of Lexlaw Office. Anna, how are you doing?
Hi, my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for the invitation. I'm good, thank you so much.
Fantastic. How are you finding the event so far?
It is first time for me in Budapest. So I think for AIBC it's also the first time in Budapest, right?
That's right.
So I think this is a great start because it's a little bit more smaller comparing to Malta and Dubai. But a lot of quality people here, a lot of excellent speakers, and the agenda is very, very interesting.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We put a lot of work into it, so I'm glad that this is being perceived this way. Thank you very much. I would like, or rather also the industry would like, to dive a little bit deeper into what it is that Lexlaw Office is actually doing. So I have a couple of questions that I have prepared over here, and I would like to just jump right in, Anna. Okay, so as CEO and co-founder of Lexlaw Office, which is known for its work in Fintech, IT space, how do you see your role of legal firms evolving in this rapidly changing landscape of Fintech and blockchain in the Eastern European markets?
Yeah, thank you so much for this question. First of all, we are on the market since 2017. We are working with mainly fintech, blockchain, Web3 and iGaming clients all around the world. Our clients are more than from 30 countries. So if we are talking about the role of the law firms or attorneys, I believe that they are like kind of bridge between the governmental authorities and market participants who are pivoting the collaboration between them, first of all, and helping the market participants to adapt to the requirements according to the law and find the possible solutions within the possibilities of the law.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I actually have a few questions. I would like to find another interesting one. Actually, oh yes, there you go. Based on your expertise, how do you envision the future of cryptocurrency adoption and regulation in Eastern Europe? What role do you think the government will play in supporting regulating this emerging industry?
Yeah, thank you so much for this question. First of all, we are now at the moment with the situation when we do have the upcoming MAA and Dora regulation, which will give a huge impact on the market participants. We will have the fundamental framework within the European Union, which will be absolutely applicable for the market participants who would like to provide the virtual assets services and also to issue the virtual currencies. We will have absolutely the same standards, and now it is the moment not only to ensure that this regulation will work correctly, but also implement this in practice. And of course, the practice within the European Union states will be maybe a little bit different in terms of the review of the applications, in terms of the communication with the market participants. But I think this is crucial to give the needed time, needed transition period for the market participants to adapt with the new requirements, so they will understand clearly which kind of changes they need to do within the structure of the company, within the maybe products and procedures to be in line with the upcoming changes. To be honest, I think that we will see the impact of Dora and MAA within next 2 years. So it's too early to say now which kind of results we will have. But for sure, this is just the beginning of the, let's say, new regulatory regime within the European Union for the virtual assets in general.
Fantastic. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Another interesting question I have for you is you emphasize the importance of cooperation between startups, government authorities, and legal experts. Could you share an example of successful collaborations in Estonia or other Eastern European countries that have fostered innovation while ensuring compliance?
Yeah, thank you so much. First of all, those are events which are related with the possible discussions between the counterparties, between the government, between the market participants. So all kind of conferences, roundtables, discussions while the ministries are preparing the amendments to the regulation. If the market participants or associations are involved, it's giving a very good impact on actual amendments on those regulations. So, for example, I can give a good overview. We had the amendments of our local AML Act in 2022 in Estonia, and I took a part of the discussions with the Ministry of Finance, with the representatives of the Parliament, and through this cooperation, we made a lot of changes within the draft of the law, which were impacting positively the market participants, and we find the solution, the balance between the needs of the market participant and government. So it is very, very crucial and important both for market participants and government to be open for this dialogue, and to have the clean vision which kind of changes should be done within the scope of the particular regulation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we've already spoken about your experience here at the event, and I'm very happy with your answer. But I would like to know, what can you say not only about the event, but how do you see the impact of the space in this region?
Yes, to be honest, we did have a huge, let's say, hype within the crypto and blockchain companies within the Baltic states. There was Estonia, one of the country who was introducing the regulation for the virtual assets, and was the first country who introduced. We had the huge amount of the applicants until the regulation was reviewed. Then we had a demand in Lithuania. Now it's a little bit moving to Poland and Czech Republic. Also Hungary is quite active. But I would like to see with the MiCA regulation that we will stop this jurisdictional shopping, to be honest, because it's not healthy for the market. If the companies are just trying to jump from one jurisdiction to another to find the easier solutions to be compliant with the regulation, it's not a long-term strategy. So it was maybe possible in the beginning of 2017, 2018, but if we are talking about the serious products, if we're talking about the current intents of the regulators, they would like to see the serious companies on the market who are established in the particular jurisdiction and who is able to stay there and comply, and would like to have the dialogue with the regulator to be confirmed according to the local rules and European standards.
That's fantastic. Anna, I am very grateful to have had you here at our media lounge to elaborate a bit more about Lex Law Office and what is your role in this company, and also how you see this market evolving. I am very confident to say that we will be sitting together in the near future to discuss more updates about Lex Law Office. And for all of you watching this video, if you do see Anna walking our floors or even in the streets, please do stop her. She has nothing but knowledge, and she is more than willing to share that with you. Anna, again, it's been an absolute pleasure. I wish you happy networking, and thanks for stopping by.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Thank you.